So fun. Do you like painting? Do you like painting, Jude? Hmm? Alright, you want to get some yellow on it? Get some yellow on it.
Yellow.
What colors do you have right now? Is that red? Here's yellow.
No.
No yellow? I'll put the yellow back in the paint pot then. Yes, sir. Red. You have yellow. Ooh, that makes green, Jude. Yellow and blue makes green. Can you say Happy Father's Day, Poppy? Can you say I love you, Poppy?
I love my Poppy.
My Poppy. Do you want to go to the beach with Poppy?
Go to the Poppy.
And go fishing?
Go fishing.
Go fishing? You want to ride in Poppy's Jeep?
Ride the Poppy.
Yeah. It's going to be a fun summer. We love you, Poppy. Oh, just paint on the paper, sweetheart. There you go. We love you, Poppy.
I love you.
Painting is fun. You want blue?
No.
Okay. All done? Okay, kiss Poppy. Kiss. I love you.